Yes, I think we can go ahead. The recording has started.
Okay, sir. Good morning to all the participants gathered in this virtual meeting. Since this is a small event held within our class, higher officials could not join. Although I welcome our principal, Dr. P.S.S. Srinivasan, and Vice Principal, Dr. K. Visagvel, and Flame faculty in charges K.S. Prabhakaran sir, and Mr. P. Venkatraman sir, and the juries Chetan Rai Y and R.C. Aravind of our final year B section from the Mechanical Engineering, and all my classmates of for the Mech Talk presentation event for Mechanical A section third year. Welcome all. Without further ado, let's continue with our first presentation from Kishore S. and Kirti Vasan on the topic of hybrid vehicles. Okay.
Yeah, Alan, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Venkatraman sir, could you like to tell anything?
Okay.
Yeah, for 1 minute, sir, I will just convey my wishes for all
Yes.
the participants. Dear students, this is a platform where you can improve your skill and do not think that why we should participate or why what is the necessity like that. All the events or all the activities which we are planning through our association, definitely 100% participation will help you in leading towards the enriching your this profile, as well as your skill will be built and the outcome will be the very much fruitful in the upcoming years, and wherever you travel all throughout the life, it will be very much helpful in improving your confidence level. So with this thing on short note, I will again congratulate all the participants for participating in this event, and hope it will be a fruitful session for all. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Happy welcome you
Yeah,
also
thank you
to
so
this.
much, sir.
Okay. Kishore S. and Kirti Vasan, please step forward with your presentation.
Okay, I'm going to share my PPT.
Okay.
So, good morning, one and all gathered here. So, we are going to present a paper on the topic of hybrid vehicles.
Kishore.
Oh, sir.
Just a minute. I lost my connection and now it has connected. So we'll have an inputs from your juries of the today's program, Mr. R.C. Aravind, followed by Chetan Roy. After that, we'll continue. R.C.
Okay.
Aravind.
Sir?
Yeah, please switch on your video and talk.
Sir, buffering, sir. I can't able to hear you, sir. What,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah, okay, then proceed.
Sir, okay, sir. Students, each of you will be given 5 minutes of time, and I'm going to evaluate your performance, me and Chetan Roy as well. And please, always just convey in English. Just talk in English, no matter how's the mistake, okay? Don't have to fear and all. Just talk in English. It doesn't matter whether you make mistake or not. Chetan Roy, would you like to tell something?
Yeah, friends, good morning. Please, okay, this is just a presentation within our class. Don't get nervous and do well. Thank you.
Okay. So I hand over the session to Mr. Alan Paul, Joint Secretary, okay, of the Flame, and Dinesh Kumar, Executive Flame member, to take over this session for the further discussion.
Thank you, sir. Now let's finally continue with the presentation. Kishore and Kirti Vasan, please continue with your.
Alan, are you able to see my PPT?
Yes, dude.
Students, kindly turn on the camera.
So you cannot switch the camera when sharing screens.
Oh, but Sarah has actually specially mentioned me that you students should turn on the camera because we like to know how you perform.
My partner Keith also now switched to the camera. Sir.
No, I couldn't see anything here, man. Keith Vasan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm not sad, bro. I'm just your senior.
So now I'm going to share. So good morning, you all gathered here. I am Kishore and he is Kirti Vasan. So today we are going to present a paper on the topic of hybrid vehicle. So this is the content that we are going to see. First of all, we are going to see what is hybrid vehicle and how it's work, what is the purpose of hybrid vehicle, and what is the vehicle type, and what are the problems faced in our society, and finally we have to conclusion. So I'm going to into the topic. So hybrid vehicle. So the name itself have hybrid. So hybrid is nothing but when we have switching types of power. There are more than distinct power we are using. So this is an example for an hybrid electrical vehicle. So first we are going to have a hybrid electrical vehicle. So we are here. So here we are using electrical power and internal combustion engine. So next, how electrical vehicle works. So this is one type of hybrid vehicle we are going to see. This is hybrid electrical vehicle. So it is a first electrical vehicle. It is a combination of gasoline engine and electrical motor. So it can be generated by three types. Three types means we can use three types of power to deliver a hybrid vehicle. So first regenerative braking. By braking we can use power to the engine. So how it works? Drivetrain can convert kinetic energy into stored potential energy. By this we are going to drive a train. So the power is continuously transmitted to the combustion engine. So dual power. So we are using here dual power. That is electrical and using a engine motor. So turn off and start by offing at a regular interval. You can use more electrical power. So I'm handing over to the Kirti Vasan to stay on.
Vehicle type has two types. Just two-wheeled and cycle vehicle types. They are further classified as three types: the parallel hybrid bicycle, series hybrid bicycle, series hybrid electrical, petroleum bicycle. Heavy cycle, rail transport, road transport, commercial vehicles, cranes, ships, aircraft, military of road vehicles, etc. Is further is conveyed to Kishore.
So we are going to have a powertrain configuration. So how hybrid electrical vehicles? There are some few methods to convert a hybrid electrical vehicle. So here is a 5 types. So parallel types, parallel type, mild parallel hybrid, power split or series parallel split, series hybrid, plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle. So this is a more complicated topic. So I'm going to have only one type. So that is a series hybrid. First from the engine, there is going to be a transmission from the engine. First, that is it converts mechanical energy to the inverter, and the battery also it converts an electrical power. So when it's going to generate a motor, it's going to convert into the drive vehicle. So it is converted into mechanical power, so that the power can be used in the vehicle easily. So this is the one type of hybrid vehicle. That is a serious thing. In parallel, we are going to have a switch the electrical power and then electrical power and the internal combustion. So this is dual power. It can be switched at any time. If it is a fuel efficiency is less, you can use to electrical power. If electrical power is drained, you can use the internal combustion engine. So what are the problems faced? So these are the few problems that we are going to face. First, the environmental impact of hybrid electrical batteries. So battery is a lithium-ion battery. We are using a lithium-ion batteries in more hybrid vehicles because it costs high, but the efficiency will be high for this. So it is more complicated because the lithium-ion is much more not we are gathering. So charging. In India, we need more power station. So we are not having power station more. So we are going to have a plant more power station in. So there is two type of charging in electrical hybrid vehicles. So that is one low cost and high cost. So in low charging, we are using 180 volt charging at 20 watts and 280 volts we are using. So raw material increases cost. For example, if you are using a battery, the lithium cost more, and it has more impact on environment also. So we are not using anything. So conclusion, I hand over to Kirthivasan to say conclusion.
The basic principle of hybrid vehicle is that different motors and work better at different speeds. The electric motor is more efficient at producing torque or turning power, and the combustion engine is better for maintaining high speed, better than typical electrical motor. Switching from one to another other at proper time while speeding up yields a win-win in terms of engine efficiency as such as translate to greater fuel efficiency.
So I'm concluding my say. So thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity. As we are a mechanical engineer, we need to survive in this thing. So we need to have some nature. So we are going to have a hybrid vehicle more than in 2030 by 30. So thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kishore and
Sir, I have
Kirthivasan.
completed my PPT, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, sir is not there with us actually. He's in a meeting or something. Me and Chetan Roy will evaluate your process. But I'd like to, Chetan, do you have any comment on this?
Yeah, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure. Carry on.
Yeah, okay. What are the commercial vehicle that are used using this hybrid vehicle?
Rail transport, we are using in a rail transport and road transport, electrical cars. In Tata, using the cranes also, we are using this in hybrid vehicles.
Okay, can you be more specific with any model names of the vehicle?
Model name, that Honda City CVS. We are using in Honda City CVS.
Okay.
It has power station of 15 hours to upload, and it can travel up to 550 kilometers at one charge.
Okay.
Okay.
Kirthivasan, is he there?
Yes, sir.
Is there now?
Kirthivasan, you should actually improve your communication. It's okay now, but I'm just telling you should actually improve your communication, because instead of just seeing the slide and reading it, you would have taken at least a note, not even note, hint,
Okay.
so that you don't have to read what's there in the screen. Just try to go off the screen. Okay.
Okay.
It will give you more benefits. The presentation is good. The design of the presentation is good, but instead of taking the hybrid vehicle, why don't you just go with a specific one? Instead of covering all the things, you may miss up some points. Just try to go with a specific.
But I actually thought that a hybrid vehicle, no? But it's meant for an hybrid electrical vehicle. So
yeah, you are actually jumping between the topics. Hybrid vehicle, electrical vehicle. Instead of that, just stick with one. To take any one technology, there are so many things that you don't know in a single technology. So if you take any one, we can explain it. We can explain it clearly so that people will understand what we are up to say.
Okay, bro.
Okay,
Next time I will try.
Good. First try, it's good. And no. You can do better. Try to talk more in English. Thanks. Kishore, yours were good, man.
Thanks.
You had good pronunciation and all.
Thanks.
Kishore, are you there? Kishore.
Hello. Yes, bro. I'm able to hear, bro.
Okay, well, because I'm not able to. All I'm hearing is the vehicle noise or something. Just try to sit in an isolated area now. Okay, we
Bro, I'm
can
isolated.
go to the next.
Okay, bro. Thanks, bro.
Isolated area means where you don't have any disturbance in a room or in a
Bro,
classroom, maybe something
okay,
like
bro.
that.
Okay, bro.
Okay, no problem. You did very well.
Okay.
Kirtivasan Kishore, I will hand over the marks to your staff. Okay,
Okay.
next one. Paul, who's on the next list, man?
Next, Nirmal
Paul.
and Bhupati on the topic jet engine.
Nirmal.
Bhupati.
Wait, let me note down the name. Nirmal and?
Bhupati V.
Nirmal and Bhupati. Okay. Okay, come, Nirmal and Bhupati.
Hi, all. Bhupati. Okay.
Yes, yes. It's with,
Hi, all. Bhupati, I'm speaking. Okay.
okay.
Hi, all. First of all, I warm welcome to all other participants and thank you for giving the wonderful opportunity to us for our Mech Talk I. And my name is P. Nirmal and my supporting partner is Poovarasan B. In this paper presentation, we talk about what is jet engine and how it works and the advantage and disadvantage. Thank you. Now this type the topics we got jet engine, types of jet engine, and the jet engine users advantage and disadvantage. Next. Now we see what is jet engine. The jet engine is a type of reaction engine. This is a fast jet and that generates thrust under by jet propulsion. Jet propulsion is nothing but every thermal activities there is no propulsion. In jet engine there is a jet propulsion. Why aboard the definition can include rocket, water jet, and hybrid propulsion. These are the various propulsion occurs in the jet engine. And the thermal jet engine typically refers to an air-breathing jet engine. Most of the air-breathing jet engine was used in the jet engines. A turbojet, turbofan, and a ramjet and a pulse jet is generally jet engine or internal combustion engine. Okay, next. This is now seeing the jet engine. Okay, diagram. Next page. The types of jet engine. There is 4 types of jet engines: air breathing, turbojet, turbofan, ram compression. Air breathing is nothing but commonly aircraft are propelled by air breathing jet engine. Most air breathing jet engines that are used are turbofan jet engine, which give good efficiency at speed just below the speed of the sound. It is turbojet. The turbojet engine is a gas turbine. It operates by using the gas. That works the compression air with an inlet and a compressor. That are axial, centrifugal, or both. Mixing fuel with the compressed air, burning the mixture with the compressor, and then pass the hot high pressure air through turbine and nozzle. Next. This we saw that what is turbojet. In this turbojet, there is an compressor, turbine, air inlet, and combustion chamber, and the exhaust nozzle. Now we saw. Next page.
Turbofan differ from turbojets. Turbofan differ from turbojets in that they have additional front of the engine, which accelerates air in a duct by passing core gas turbine engine. Turbofans are the dominant engine type for medium and long range airliners. This diagram is the turbofan engine diagram. The parts are intake, compression, power, exhaust. Ram compression, jet engines are air breathing engines. It has similar to gas turbine engines. They both are follow the Brayton cycles, whereas gas turbine engines use axial or centrifugal compressors to compress incoming air. Ram engines rely only on air compressed through the inlet or diffuser. Jet engine uses the jet engine designs are frequently modified non-aircraft applications. Industrial gas turbines or marine power plants. They are used in electrical power generation for powering water, natural gas, or oil pumps and providing propulsion for ships and locomotives. Advantages of jet engines: they are low specific weight, no unbalanced force, high speed, no restriction in power output. And disadvantages of jet engines are the plant is very noisy, material costly and life short. The compression pressure ratio is not constant as in the reciprocator, but varies approximately with the square of the speed. Thank you for the giving a wonderful opportunity to present here. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Chetan. Yeah, your Nirmal Raj and Bhupati, both of you did well. And my question is, these jet engines are mostly used in this aviation field. What are the other option except this jet engine? Like we have this IC engine for automobile. We have
Yeah.
IC engine and electric vehicle. For this jet engine, what is the next option?
Oh,
Like do we have any electrical related engines for this aviation field?
I don't know that idea, bro. But in other engines can't put more power and give more energy, bro. That way not using that other engines. Uh,
Okay.
okay. That's all, bro.
Arvind, any
Hello.
comments?
Actually, what I like to say is you could, your presentation was so simple and it was so easy to understand. But you need to improve your language skills. So, like, just take hints. Okay.
Okay.
Take hints. Go through the content.
Bro.
Okay. I'm just suggesting because when you do the next presentation, the people shouldn't complain the same thing. Just try to take hints and where jet engines are used. Can tell now. In which technologies have you seen? Are they used in present? Anyone can answer. Bhupati, you can also answer.
Jet engines used electrical power generation for powering water, natural gas, or oil pumps.
Okay.
Hello? It's audible, sir?
Okay. Yes, you are audible.
That's also right.
Okay.
Okay.
You can wind
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
The presentation was good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next team is Fias Ragman SK and Dharun V on friction stir welding. I'll just present my screen to them. Yes. Yes, we can't hear you.
Yeah, Paul, it's not audible, right?
Yeah, it's not audible. Yes, mute Puneet.
It's not audible. Chetan, are you hearing something?
No, I'm also not able to hear anything.
Yeah. Hello, Fiaz, Dharan.
Dharan talk something. Yes, is not audible. Even though you're speaking, he cannot hear.
Hey, someone laptop connected. Hello, at least can we bring some other team, no?
I guess he's rejoining.
Hello, Fiaz. So let them rejoin, no problem.
Okay. Dharan.
And why is everyone taking in pair? Two people. I thought PPT are supposed to be taken by one single person, no?
No. Since the years.
Did Sir give the information that we can be combined, we can pair up with our friends?
Yeah, Sir told us to do so. Pair up.
Okay, then Sir told us it's okay. Paul, just contact your friends now. It's getting late. There are 20 teams to know.
Okay, then let's skip them to the last.
Okay, next team.
Jiva and Guru Prasad CSM. Jiva and Guru Prasad. Jiva.
Okay, they are coming. On what topic they are presenting, Paul?
Topic is on electric vehicles.
Okay, electric vehicles.
Hello, so my screen is sharing.
Yeah, dude.
Now your screen is visible. And where is Jiva?
Sure, you do.
Okay.
You can start now.
You can
Good
start.
morning to one and all to present in this presentation. I am Jiva. I am Guru Prasad and my friend Jiva. Today we are going to present about the electric vehicle. The presentation of outline is introduction. Next, types of electric vehicle and then working of electric vehicle. Next, need of electric vehicle, the benefits of electric vehicle, and advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicle. Introduction of electric vehicle. An electric vehicle is also considered by EV vehicles. An electric vehicle is one that operates on the electric motor instead of internal combustion engine that generates power by burning a mixture of fuel and gas. An electric car generally refers to road-going automobiles powered by electricity. It can be propelled or moved by one electric motor or more using batteries. Electric motor gives instant torque and smooth acceleration to move. The types of electric vehicle. There are three main types of electric vehicle. First is battery electric vehicle BEV and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV and hybrid electric vehicle HEV. The battery electric vehicle is full of 100% electricity to move the vehicle. In plug-in electric vehicle or plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the fuel and gasolines are used to move the vehicle, and a hybrid electric vehicle is full of gasolines or fuels can be used to move a vehicle. working of electric vehicle. The common working of electric vehicle. When the driver presses the accelerator, which sends the signal to the controller. When the fully accelerated, maximum voltage is supplied to the motor, and when the driver releasing, the no voltage is supplied. In that motor, two potentiometers are connected, which when both potentiometers shows same deviation voltage, is then the cars further moves to travel. Then my friend Jiva is going to be sir.
Good morning to all. To see about the need of electric vehicles. In the environment concerns, the current use of heat combustion engine is major source of air pollution and the global warming. And the practical concerns is the current conservation costs use quickly decreasing the fossil fuels, and no one knows exactly how long the world supply of oil will last. And the major agree does not to the future that our current supply will be used up. Next slide. And we saw about the benefit of electric vehicles. In the electric motor is more efficient to 75% efficiency than heat engine. The electric vehicles can be regenerative stopping of energy used totally. In the electric vehicles are more environmentally and friendly of oil supplies for conventional vehicles are depleted. Next slide. We saw the benefit of driving of an electric vehicle. There is a lower maintenance cost we have to use it and save on fuel costs, and it is a tax breaks and healthier for our environment usage. And we saw about advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicle in India. Next slide. In advantages of electric vehicle, it is better for our environment, and electricity is less expensive than the fuel and the gas. There is less maintenance at low cost. The electric cars tends to be quite. It is used potential for tax credits. Nearly 100% of reusable batteries will be used and reduce our noise pollution of environment. And we saw about disadvantage of electric vehicles. Charging can it's made a lot of time for take charging, and the charging stations are not available in India. More everywhere not is available. This is more expensive than the combustion engine cars, and the batteries provide a heavy increasing weight of the vehicles, and it is used only short range of driving and this medium speed. And thank you for everyone giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, Guru. Jiva.
Yes, sir. So,
okay, your presentation was good.
Thank you.
Just you need to slightly improve your speaking skills. But I just have one question. Can you name some companies that are using electric cars? Do you know, is it operated on roads?
Electric vehicle, cars or bikes?
Yeah. Electric vehicles. It may be car, bike. Jiva, turn on your mic.
Mahindra Electric.
My question is clear?
Hello.
Okay.
And Tata Motors.
So electric vehicles are on roads of India, you are saying? What about two-wheelers? Can you just give me some examples? You should have seen in market, right?
Hello.
Hello.
Once again, ask the question, please.
I mean, my question was clear. Is any electric vehicles that are operated in the world? Do you have any sort of names, the model thing? Who is producing the electric vehicles in large amount of
Revolt
quantity?
Revolt
You don't have to look in Google, man. And just you took the electric vehicle, you only took the no. So you at least you should have seen some research about what are the vehicles. The only thing, when you heard the electric vehicles, there is only one option: Tesla. See, Gokulraj B. Tesla is only a biggest production in the world of electric vehicles. They are operated in several countries. Okay, the presentation is good. Just try to get more knowledge on what you are preparing.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Jivan Guru Prasad.
Dharan. Okay, Chetan, I have a question for you. Chetan, carry on.
Jivan Guru Prasad, both of you did well. Improve your fluency and then have some in-depth knowledge in the working of those vehicles. You aren't clear with the working of those vehicles. You have explained these three type of vehicle.
Yes.
Okay, I have a question with you have explained that plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and hybrid electric vehicle. What's the difference between those two?
So in plug-in,
okay, yeah, carry on.
So in plug-in electric vehicle, the fuel and the gasolines can be used, sir.
Okay.
In hybrid vehicle, only the gasolines can be used.
Okay, fine. Yeah, we can move on to the next participant.
Thank you.
The next team is Bala Saravanan P and Gokulraj on the topic artificial intelligence.
What happened to Fiaz and Dharan?
Yes.
Are they in contact?
They just postponed it to the last. He'll be doing it last.
Okay, no problem. Now who's presenting? Bala Saravanan
and Gokulraj on artificial intelligence. Okay.
Artificial intelligence.
Good morning to all. I am P. Bala Saravanan from third year Mech A, and my partner is B. Gokulraj. Here we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. Here we are the topics synopsis, introduction of AI, type of AI, what can AI do, purpose of AI, careers based on AI, growth of AI, future project based on AI, and then conclusion. Introduction of artificial intelligence. The act of creating machine that perform function that require intelligence when performed by people. The branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. The artificial intelligence in the four category system that act like human. They are system that think like human, system that think rationally, system that act rationally. And type of artificial intelligence. Here, machine learning, machine intelligence, machine consequence. And the machine learning specialize in one area and solve in one problem. And the machine intelligence refers to a computer that is smarter than human across a board. And then machine consequence and intelligence that are much smarter than the best human brain in practically even a field. And what can AI do? In artificial intelligence, make it possible for machine to learn from a experience and adjust to new input and program like a task, perform like a task. Sorry. Most of the AI example are self-driving car, gaming, finance, data security, travel and transport, social media, automotive industry. The major artificial intelligence can replace the jobs or telemarket. The telemarket, the probability of this job getting fully computerized in quite high, at least 99.9% is the biggest reason to replace. And bookkeeping clerk, job replaced by a robot and a AI activized device is almost 98%. And the tools and application is used in bookkeeping clerk are QuickBooks and Microsoft Office and other tools offer bookkeeping. And other examples are benef- benefits manager, account, security guard, and advertising, sales, research, etc. And the coming slide, my partner will explain you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bala. And we can now see about the purpose of AI, man and mission. With the help of AI, we can use machines in the future. Machine learning ensures that machines are increasingly able to recognize and respond to the needs of people and purpose. For example, the disabled people can work in their workplace by using AIs in the future. In the future, even simple tasks can be made by AI, like repeated tasks like checking invoices and necessary quality checks. These can be made by robotics which have AI in them. So more and more engineers and computer scientists are needed to develop these types of AI and robots. Next, careers based on AI. The top 5 careers in AI are data analyst. The data is the heart of an AI and machine learning functions. Those who have been well trained and properly manage the data have many opportunities for success in the AI industry. And user experience, natural language processing, computer science and artificial intelligence research, software engineering. These are the top 5 careers in artificial intelligence. Next, growth of AI. They are estimated that the global artificial intelligence market size is valued as 39.9 billion in 2019, and it can be immensely increased to 42.2% from 2020 to 2027. And these can be made in self-driving vehicles or for crucial life-saving medical gears. And AI is being used in infused virtually to every apparatus and program. Next. Future broad projects based on AI. Advanced artificial intelligence products are fake ID products reviewing monitoring system, like products which have been faked from the originals, like master copies and from China products like that. Learn to drive with reinforcement learning, automatic attendance system without any persons. We can take the attendances in colleges and schools using AI. And price negotiator, e-commerce chatbot system, AI bot to play snake game, self-driving, music recommendation apps. These are these future projects based on AI. And Google is also working on an AI-based robot in these years. Next, 12 brain-inspired artificial intelligence project. OpenNN, Open Neural Networks Library. This is an library which works on AI using the software library written in the C++ programming language, which implements neural networks. Artificial Human, Neural Designer, Blue Brain Project, NCOG, Numenta Platform for Intelligence Computing. These are the top 12 brain-inspired artificial intelligence projects. Next, conclusion. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are products of both science and medicine. We can use the science for good deeds, but the myths are what and these are the stories that told by ancient peoples are not to play with God with powerful technologies as are instructive, then we will likely free ourselves from unnecessary anxiety about their uses. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for this opportunity.
Bala Saravanan,
Yes, sir. Yes, bro.
you spoke very well, man. Congratulations. You have a
Thank you.
good spoken English.
Thank you, bro.
And do you think AI role is enough to make changes in our country? No. If AI comes, most of the people will be losing their jobs. They'll be in the streets. What do you think will happen?
Yeah, bro. Majorly 50 percentage of the human work will reduce, and the 50 percentage of the computerized program will coming in our world.
Bala Saravanan
Okay,
and
that's
Gokulraj.
amazing. Chetan Rai, can you ask some questions?
Yeah, Bala Saravanan and Gokulraj, both of your communication was good and the content was also nice and you explained it very well.
Thank you.
So, yeah. Okay. My question is how Google is implementing this artificial intelligence, where they are actually implementing it.
So they are using humanoid robots in some of the projects. I've heard that in feeds in Instagram.
Okay.
And they have stopped it because the two robots have been used their own language to speak, and they started to fix their problems. So they have stopped that project now. That's all I heard, and I used it in this project presentation.
Okay.
They're trying to make an humanoid robot which can think and use some facilities to work for humans. That's all I know.
Okay, you can say that as in simple, the Google Assistant we have in phone, even that is also artificial intelligence, right?
Yes. And Siri in iPhone.
Yeah.
And the map also artificial intelligence.
Yeah. First, instead of saying this complex things like robotics, you could have said that simple with a simple example.
Okay, bro. Okay.
So it's easy to catch for the
Yeah,
beginners.
I agree with Chetan. Actually, I thought of saying this myself. Just don't make complicated stuff, okay? Because you have to understand the concept in there. There are so many things that we are using in AI in daily life, like Alexa. It's a AI. Google Assistant, like what we said. Just if you go with complicated stuff, then automatically the in charge or the teacher will think you of that you know many things about what you are taking, and they will ask you a complicated question. And if you are stuck with no answer, then you will be having a low. Your mark will be reduced. You may actually have a chance of losing the contest when you have a ball on your court. So instead of complicating yourself, just go with the simple things. Make understand. Make them understand. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bro. Thank
You did well. Bye.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Next one, please.
The next team is Gopi Madhavan Raj and Dinesh M on air-fueled cars.
Good morning to all. Sir, my screen is visible?
Yes, Gopi. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, Gopi, you're visible and audible. Carry on.
Hello, sir.
You are visible and audible. You can carry on now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, good morning to all. Presentation on air fluid car presented by Gopi Madhavan and Dinesh M. Outlines what an air fluid car, how do they work, recharge compression air, advantage and disadvantage, models available, and conclusions. First, about the topic, air fluid car history. The pneumatic motor was first applied to the field of transportation in the mid-19th century. The car can be powered solely by air or combined as in hybrid air vehicle, electrical vehicle with gasoline, diesel, and ethanol. Air-powered car is can that used an engine powered by compression air invented by Guy Negri. He is a French engineer. 1991 started Meturer Development International (MDI) short form. Luxembourg. And this is first compression air vehicle. What is air fluid car? Runs entirely one compression air held the 3-liter tanks underneath the car. Use an engine similar to the conventional gasoline engine, piston engine. Is possible to run one of these car completely emission free. Next, the concept of engine. Air engine, the 3 compression engine in the air engine. First, cylindric compressions. One small combustion chamber, one large expansion cylinder. How do they work? First chamber taken in air trough grill compression. Air is heated up. Second chamber mix the hot compression air and cool expanded air from tanks. Drive the piston to drive the engine. Third chamber allow the expansion and exhaust of the mixed air from the combustion chamber. Next topic, I hand it to Dinesh M.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Kobil. Let me see about the air-filled car performance. The air-filled car maximum speed is 60 mile per hour. The acceleration is 0 to 13 miles per hour in 7 seconds. The reaction time is 0 to 30 miles per hour in 3 seconds. The range is 120 miles or 10 hours. Let me see about the disadvantages of the air-filled cars. The maximum speed is 60 mile per hour. The power is 700 cc engine. The refill is 120 miles. The the car time to take the refill of 260 hours and time in a maximum 5 minutes. Stop. This cost available models is because of the car speed limitations. This car for ideal use in the cities. This car available as taxis, pickup trucks, delivery vans, bus prototype being works, and etc. Let me come to the conclusion. Despite some false air cars can soon be very rarely method of transportation. Yeah, this car almost completely sustainable. Then cheaper than most of other cars. The conventional cars can improve air quality considerably. Then then can reduce the greenhouse emission considerably. Thank you for this giving wonderful opportunity to our KSP sir and the coordinator of flame.
Okay, Gopinath, you did well. Your English was also was good. And
Okay.
Dinesh,
Yeah, bro.
don't rush. Okay, you don't have to rush and finish it. Just talk, polite, not in polite, just in calm way.
Okay.
Your English was good, but you don't have to, push yourself so hard, not so fast.
Okay.
You are not running
Okay.
anywhere, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Chetan, do you have anything to add?
Okay. In the PPT, mentioned that there is a combustion chamber. Why is it used? Okay, fine.
Bro, the combustion. Bro.
Yeah, tell me.
So the combustion chamber is where used in the internal combustion of the engine for for fuel and air mixing and burned, bro. For engine,
Okay.
the same calls for the extension of firebox
Mm-hmm. Okay.
for a more completed combustion process.
Okay. Okay. The presentation was good.
Oh, thanks.
We can move on to the next participant.
The next is Paridila and Kavin Venkat GK on maglev trains. Paridila. Kavin Venkat. You're not
Who's
in the meeting.
presenting next?
Kavin Venkat and Paridila. I guess you're
Okay,
not.
if they are not coming now,
Can move on to the next one. Okay.
okay, next one.
Balamurugan, yes, and Divakar K.
Balamurugan, Divakar.
Alan, can you hear me?
Yeah, Arul. Continue. Balamurugan, yes.
Balamurugan, Divakar. What's the topic?
Tesla cars.
Tesla car.
Balamurugan, please.
Okay.
Okay, Rudy, you can share your screen and start your
Yes.
presentation. Yes, Balamurugan is not here.
Balamurugan signal problem.
Okay. Can you do it on your own, or you need time just to keep it last?
No, current.
Okay.
Good morning to all present here. And can you hear me?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, clear. Just a little bit louder, please.
Myself, K. Divakar from third year mechanical A section. We here to discuss about Tesla cars. First of all, the introduction of Tesla cars. Elon Musk is the owner and CEO of Tesla Motors. He created Tesla Motors because he always been focused on creating products that are environmentally friendly while also being cutting edge in the technological world. Now we have to talk about Tesla mission. The overarching purpose of Tesla is to exploit the move from a mine and burn hydrocarbon economically towards a sustainable solar electrical economy. Tesla products: Tesla Roadster, Tesla Model X, Tesla Model S, Tesla Powerwall, Tesla Supercharger stations. These are the products launched in Tesla based companies. Now the Model S can be discussed. The Model S was announced in 2018 and it was launched in 2013. It is loaded with advanced technology. This car got honor that Motor Trend Car of the Year and World Green Car of the Year for a good performance. Model S is also launched in 2015. It has some unique feature of Tesla's Autosomal Autopilot brake hold seating capacity. Model 3. This Model 3 car was announced in the year of 2015. The standard range plus version delivers an EPA rated all electrical range of 263 miles, that is 423 kilometers. The model carries full self-driving. Before it come to an market, it had registered by more than 10,000 customers. This car got the name of America's first car. Tesla also providing a supercharging stations. The station also look Tom increases the number of the supercharging station nationwide. Thank you.
Okay, Divakar, this topic actually, I thought that you might be explaining at least the single model in of Tesla car, like the working of the particular model. I thought you will be explaining that, but the topic as a whole, you have explained as the point of view of marketing side.
Okay.
Yeah, Divakar. Just what we thought was you are going to explain about Tesla cars and the manufacturer. What are they actually doing? What are the future of Tesla cars? Instead of that, you're going talking about Elon Musk, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay, the presentation was good. Not telling it's bad and all. Why don't you tell the latest model of Tesla car? What's this one that came I think so 2 months before?
Model, yes, the latest.
Hmm.
Don't know, bro.
It's Tesla Roadster, okay? It looked like a Batmobile, but like that car doesn't have a attic look. It will just there'll be no curvy edges and all, sharp edges, fox kind of thing. That's what came in. I think so. It came around April, not July. I think so. That car was not a well hit and all, but the performance was good. Okay. So talking about some topic means just try to look into it so that you can get the idea of what you are actually talking.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be not talking. It will be just stating things, stating facts. So okay. Where's Balamurugan? Only you are the one talking. Why not Balamurugan?
Balamurugan signal problem.
Okay, you can wind up. You can go.
Okay then.
Okay.
So, do you guys want a break or we can continue?
I guess we can continue because it's okay to do further.
I'm not able to hear. Alan
We can
Paul,
continue.
can you speak louder? You can continue, right?
Yeah, okay. It's okay to wind up soon because Sir asked us.
Yeah. Star told me to finish off within this afternoon.
Okay. They'll be taking break
I think so.
immediately. It's just a virtual meet, right?
No. I'm not the one who needs the break. I'm just telling you guys to just chill. So, okay. Come next team. Come.
Next
Who's on the list? Next.
Parthiban S and Gokulraj SN. Biometric technology.
Gokul SN and
Gokulraj SN. Parthiban S. Yes, Parthiban.
See something telling. Not now. My teammate Parthiban is not available. Can you
Okay, let's move on to the next participant to them.
Next, Mano K is the only one. An autonomous vehicle. Mano, you there?
On what topic that Gokul and Parthiban is going to talk about?
On biometric technology.
Biometric. Yeah.
Mano K, solo on autonomous vehicle.
Solo,
Yeah, solo. He's doing it alone.
Good. Autonomous vehicle.
Mano.
Okay. In presentation, doing alone is better,
Yeah.
Because you can't expect your partner to be in full condition. Okay. If any of one people made a mistake, now the whole team will be not deserving of prize. Okay, continue.
Yeah, dude, you're visible.
One okay?
Yes.
It's visible?
Yeah,
it's visible. You can continue now. But why it's so small? Can you make it a big screen? Yeah, okay. Now it's
Good morning to all. My
autonomous
name is
vehicle.
Kemal, mechanical, and I'm going to talk about autonomous vehicle. The content introduction. What is the need of autonomous car?
Man, you are not clear. You are not audible. Your voice
is not clear. It's breaking.
Your voice is breaking. It's not clear. Can you come to the place where you can make it clear? Come to the place where you get signal.
Now it's clear. Now it's audible.
No, man, it's breaking.
Now, bro.
Yeah, come on, speak up.
Hello.
You can speak.
It's audible.
Yeah, it's audible. You just speak. Let me say whether it's breaking or not.
Okay. Automated vehicle, it can reduce the crashes and prevent injuries and save lives. Okay. What is the need of autonomous car? Driver error is most common of the traffic accident. It is less due to the autonomous car. India contributes 6% of the world road accident deaths. So it can helpful to reduce the accident and injuries. Working. Autonomous car can use many technologies and different types of sensors. Many systems are available ABS and ACC. Various technologies are above used in conjunction to control the car. Radar system in the front and rear bumpers calculate the distance of obstacles like a heavy truck or any obstacles. Components. Light detection and ranging, radar system, ultrasonic system, sensors, video cameras and global processing systems, inertial measurements unit, CPU. LiDAR. It's a remote sensing technology. It uses laser, ultraviolet and visible lights to image the object of obstacles. Radar. Radar system are used for detecting oncoming vehicle, the speed, obstacles and self-parking and detections. Ultrasonic sensor. These are used for blind spot detection as well as to detect nearby objects. The sensors are mounted on the left rear wheel of vehicle to sense the other objects. Video camera installed up top of the front glass and rear glass, used to detect traffic light and traffic signs, and it can drive itself from the use of camera. GPS. Use satellites to gather information about the current position of vehicle and their degrees and their position. Initial measurement unit. IMU is an electric device which measures the give information about the vehicle velocity and gravitational force. CPU. All data
are available in the sensing program, so it can drive itself and mounted on the inside of the vehicle. Advantages: reduction in car accidents, optimal speed, increase in productivity, fuel economy, reduction in car theft. Disadvantages of autonomous vehicle: chances of hacking, it leads to hack from one, it leads to the theft. Failure of sensor leads to accident. Fewer job can be used for terrorism to go one place to one place. Thank you.
Okay, Mano.
Why do you think it will be used for terrorism and all?
It leads to go one place to another place from their camp, so it leads to terrorism, to hack, to explosives.
I don't quite get your point. No. Why specific terrorism? You can just tell, no, it is going to one place to another. Can measure it as ambulance or camp when the tenants get hurt for medical campaign. Don't go with the word terrorism. It's not good for your presentation. The whole point of what you're telling will be a total complete mess. It's not very good, telling terrorism and all. Anti-terrorism means it will be okay. We can find the terrorism. Anti-terrorism and all. Okay. Chetan, do you have any questions to ask?
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, my question is, can you name any commercial autonomous vehicle?
Sorry, bro, can I get your point, please?
Any model name of this
or the autonomous vehicle is being used?
Is it implemented or yet to implement?
It's only a designing project. The Google is it's a model. It's not an implement project.
Okay, still it's not been commercialized.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Okay, improve your in-depth knowledge in this. Still, you aren't clear with your what to say, the content.
Okay.
See, when you are not only clearing, when you have doubts in your own presentation, then how can you expect people to understand? You just have to be clear with what you are saying. Okay. In that way, you can proceed, you can get attention that you require.
Okay.
Instead of just telling what are the types of autonomous car, or advantages, disadvantages, that's what I'm telling from first year. Don't just take a outlook of everything. It's what we all are doing from first year. In first year, you can tell advantage, disadvantage. In third year and all, you should try to take one own technology. Autonomous car is okay, but what are you saying autonomous car? Have any model? Are they implemented? That's what I'm saying. Okay, who's next?
Okay.
Good luck with your next PPT presentation.
The next team is
Alan Paul, who's next?
Ajit Kumar S and Abhishek J on air suspension system. Hello.
Ajit Kumar S and Abhishek.
Abhishek on air suspension system.
Air suspension.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, you're audible. Carry on with your
You're
presentation.
audible? Carry on with
Is
the
it audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning to all present here. Myself Abhishek and my companion Ajit Kumar. Now we are going to explain the topic about air suspension system. We have some outline here. Introduction, I can't see. Role of air suspension system, principle of air suspension system, components of air suspension system, types, advantages, conclusion. Now we are going to see about what is air suspension system. So in intro you can say that air suspension system is a type of suspension powered by an electric or engine driven pump or compressor. It is sorry, suspension system. The system replaces conventional coil spring suspension, provides automatic front and rear load leveling, and it also Sir William Brush is the father of suspension system in automobiles.
role of air suspension system. The main role of air suspension system are as follows. It supports the weight of vehicle, provides smoother ride for the driver and the passenger as a protects the vehicle from damage and wear. It also plays a critical role in maintaining safe driving conditions. It also keeps the wheels pressed firmly to the ground for traction. It isolates the body from road shocks and vibrations, which would otherwise be transferred to the passengers and load.
Uh, Principle of air suspension system. It says that when a tire hits an obstruction, there is a reaction force. See, it explains that when we are driving in when we are riding in a road, if a tire hits the road and it reflects the opposite force, I mean the reaction force. So the size of reaction depends upon unsprung mass each wheel assembly. So there is a difference between normal suspension and air suspension. Air suspension, it compressed and it compress the air and it releases like an it's like an rubber like structure. It is called a bellow. It says that. So it can compressed and release the when the reaction force hit on the road. And there are components of air suspension system. There are three components. They are the air supply, airbag, and height control valves. Here is the diagram about air supply and airbag and height control valve.
That is the diagram of airbag. It is high control valve, how it works. Diagram is working of air suspension system. Natural question, insert question, disrupt question. Types of suspension system. Front independent and non-independent. Rear independent and non-independent. Here shows difference between independent and non-independent suspension. The first one is independent suspension. Then second is non-independent suspension. Advantages of air suspension system: excellent suspension and comfort to passengers, fully automatic level control, good handling, keeps the vehicle from damage, keeps the tires pressed firmly to ground, leads to service, lifting and levering function, increased life of vehicle. Cars with air suspension in India. Vehicles that use air suspension today include models from Jaguar, Maybach, Rolls-Royce, Lexus, Jeep, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Land Rover, Racing Audi, Volkswagen, Ford,
Coda. Conclusion. From the whole discussion in suspension system, I observed the suspension system is like a white blood cell as white blood cell provides energy to body to fight against disease or virus which try to destroy or try to decrease our life. In similar way, suspension system provides the energy to a vehicle to protect itself from damaging, increasing life of the vehicle, increase the handling, increase the comfort of passengers and many more. So according to me, if you remove the suspension system, then you feel like in Bulgari, in Audi, Mercedes type luxurious cars. The only difference is speed. So the scope of the suspension system is too bright. Thanks for the wonderful opportunity for
Thank
us.
you.
Okay, Ajit and Abhishek, presentation was nice. And my question is, automatic air suspension system, in which vehicle it's used?
So one time you question, sir.
Automatic air suspension system, in which vehicle it is used?
Sir, Benz Mercedes-Benz S-Class, sir.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
And then, sir, Mercedes-Benz S-Class was used air suspension system, sir. And the Land Rover Evoque, Range Rover Evoque,
Okay.
and many models, sir. Jaguar XJL and Skoda Super.
Okay, these are all the models they are using automatic air suspension system.
No, the air suspension system.
No, I'm asking automatic air suspension system. You have talked about this topic, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That suspension system, in which vehicle they are using it? At least any one model name.
Sir, Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce.
Okay, in Rolls Royce they are using it. Okay, fine. Arvind,
Sir, from Maybach.
what's another model?
Sir, Benz Maybach.
Okay.
Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
can you give the example of air suspension used in vehicles, where it is used?
Sir, air suspension, we can. Sir, in your airbags.
Okay, that's one example. And another? Do you know about emergency landing in airports?
Yes, sir.
And there will be no stats. I mean,
Sir, air suspension. We can say that now only I got the idea about that. If we are if the tire hits on the land, it will compress and it will releases the air, sir. So eventually we are using in many vehicles about this one, sir. For example, you have said that aircraft landing.
No, I'm not telling about aircraft landing.
Okay.
The stairs that passengers that should come down, right?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of stairs, they used an air suspension. It's like a giant, air. There will be sliding and coming down. Okay, in emergency
Yes,
situation, when there are no the staircase and the artificial staircase, they should be sliding.
Yes, sir.
The main purpose are used only in emergency situation. And okay, it was good. You did well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who's next?
Sir?
No, I'm not asking you. I'm asking Paul. Alan Paul, who's next?
Next is Enivayan N and Poovarasan P. Are they in the line? Poovarasan, Poovaran. I hope they're not here. You can go on.
Ask them to come, bro. See, there are so many people that didn't done from the according to the list I gave. Fiaz and Dharani Dharan
Yeah,
and
Fiaz is waiting. He's asking for.
RC, let's not be concerned about the participant who are not coming. It's their problem.
okay. I mean, I have no concern at all. I'm just telling, you know, they have to do right.
Yeah, they have to
Okay,
do,
next.
but they are not
Ilavarasan and
there. What can we do?
Fiaz will be doing at the last. He's sure.
Parthiban is asking, can he come? Okay, Parthiban, if you are ready, means you can come now.
Okay, Parthiban, yes, right?
He's using biometric sensor, right?
Yeah. Parthiban is.
Okay, Parthiban.
Yes, sir.
Biometric technology. Parthiban, you can.
Parthiban and Gokul Lesson.
Gokulraj B, yeah.
Yeah, Gokul Lesson.
Is my screen visible, sir? Sir,
Yeah,
is my
you're.
screen visible?
Please carry on.
Okay, thank you. Good morning to one and all. Myself Parthiban, my supporting partner S.N. Gokulraj. Both we are pursuing in knowledge into technology. Belong to third year mechanical A section. So we choose the topic of about biometrics. So let's we talk about biometrics. Biometrics. There are two different words. There are two different words combined together, and we are talking this technology just because everywhere now we have biometric installed. So we will see what is biometrics and what are the characteristics and devices and types and advantages and conclusions. Let's see one by one. Introduction. Biometrics are actually in automated method for recognizing a person to recognize a person that is based on some physiological or a behavioral characteristics. Now, if you know such somebody, or you fit someone, then that may seem too uneasy and delicate, or sometimes. But now these biometrics have changed that realization. Biometric technologies they measure a particular set of person in a virtual statistics in order to determine the identity of a person or recognition of a person. Now see what is biometric. The biometric, as earlier told, it's indicated it's derived from a Greek word bios and metrics. Bios and metrics. That is why we have biometric. That means life and measurement respectively. Bio means a life. Metric means a measurement. So this is directly translating itself to measuring a life by means of living things, by measuring yourself or measuring of finding through measurement uh, and your identity validation and verification type of thing. So let us move to history. So for the first real biometric system was created in 1817 by a French anthropologist Alphonse, and turned biometrics a distinguished field of study. Now this is not a study. This is everywhere. This might have a biometric installed. This is changed the working culture of the organization. The first classification method for biometric was developed in 1892 by Sir Francis Galton.
Class and today's presentation will be explaining about the transmission.
Now we can see the types of biometrics.
As you see, gearbox, we usually see in most of our.
The various types of biometrics and the major of them are behavioral biometrics.
Based CVT transmission, which is the most commonly used and most widely and popularly known.
This is used just for verification. Then physical biometrics is used either for identification or for verification. Boy, is this audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Bro? Yeah, you are audible. Carry on.
The types of biometrics, the various types of biometrics, and the major of them are behavioral and physical. When the behavioral biometrics, this is used just for verification. Then the then physical biometrics, this is used either for identification or for verification. Now see the physical biometrics. The physical biometrics, it involves your fingerprint, your facial recognition, your hand, your iris, your vascular patterns. These are the physical biometrics. Behavioral biometrics, it has a speaker recognition or a signature for a keystroke. Let's move on to the classification of biometrics or the other forms of biometrics. These are the major characteristics of biometrics as textually explained. Now let us see it via a diagram. Biometrics has two parts, by the way, physiological, and other is behavioral. It may physiologically, it may be behavioral. Now behavioral, most of you having laptops might have seen this day. This the inbuilt in your computer system. While in of behavioral, now keystroke just presently some signature and voice, and if you thumb also, if there you will be allowed, you will be verified. Biometric devices, there are various classifications, and now see fingerprint technologies. We have the bioable devices like iris scanner, fingerprint scanner, camera, and etc. Now see the fingerprint technology. Or all the fingerprints have been kept in a database, and then whatever a person comes, he or she shows the signal or places his fingerprint, and the fingerprint is managed by what is there through various algorithms and technologies. Face recognition, its image processing technologies, and once it is verified. Iris scanner, it's a type of biometrics. It's all in studies and crime. They are taken because your DNA will match surely with you or father or mother. Okay, if you in the front of this camera, this will be focus your eyes, eyes by means of iris that can be matched by the person. Then you will be verified. Retinal scanning. This is how retinal scanning works. The retinal scans reads from the outer towards the pupil edge, from to right from outstream words in the retinal scanner. Then it plot distinct pattern of blood vessels using infrared light. Then after scanning the information and send it to the central nervous system, which means brain, then the result will be compressed. Upon entering the facilities, the clinical retinal mapping will be compared. Then it stored compressed and information. Advantages. I'm sorry. Advantages, remaining will be carried out by SN Gokulraj sir.
Am I audible? Now let's see the advantage of biometric technology. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Can we finish fast? Because a lot of time for one student is 5 minutes.
Okay.
Talk.
Arvind, let's give them some additional 2 minutes.
Yeah, no problem in that. I'm just telling. Because there are so many other students to finish, right? Okay, Chetan. As you wish. Yeah, you can have man two extra minutes. No problem.
Okay, sir. Now let's see the advantage of biometric technology.
It increased their security and it provided convenient and low-cost additional tier of society. It also reduced their password administration, which may be shared or cost. Now application. Next slide.
Hello, Gokul.
Hello.
What's taking you so long, man? Can you sit in a quite well connection area? I think so. That net is something wrong. Gokul, are you audible? Do you hear me? Gokul Prasad, you are not audible, please. Yes,
Okay, let's terminate their
okay.
presentation.
Okay, finish. Just let us see the. Yeah, okay, wait. Let me see the conclusion. Okay. Parthiban, Gokul, are you ready for questions? Hello. Arey bhai. Chetan, do you have anything to
yes,
ask?
Sir.
Yeah, I got one question. Let me just ask that. Then you can continue with the remark.
Sir, is audible, sir? Hello?
Yeah, you're audible. Arvind?
Sir, forgive me, sir, for being late, sir.
Okay, it's not
It's
a
okay.
problem.
You're not sad. You're just listening here. You can who's talking now. Parthiban, you already
Yes, sir.
finished
Yes,
it,
sir.
right? Gokul
Yes,
have to
sir.
explain his thought.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, it's okay. No problem. Let me ask you a question. So you're telling that biometric sensors, fingerprint sensors and all, is it very
Yes.
efficient in this COVID time? Because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's more efficient, sir.
How come you're doing more efficient, man? See,
Sir, in IT field.
everything will be scanned using our thumbprint. What if Corona starts spreading using that sensor? Everybody cares.
Sir, I'm not
There will be
audible,
no
sir.
wearing. Hello? Hey, Chetan, are you audible?
Yeah,
Hello?
Arvind, you're audible.
Hey, I'm audible, bro. How efficient is that biometric sensor in this Corona period? I'm not telling about the past years and all. This time. Parthiban.
Hello? Hello, sir. Audible, sir?
I'm audible. Do you hear me?
No, sir. No, sir.
Hey, everybody. Hey, Chetan, do you hear me, man?
Yeah, you're audible, Arvind. I think Parthiban is having this connection problem.
You have connection problem, okay?
Paul, are you there?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, he's having low signal, Parthiban.
Okay, then let's just find.
Okay, we can move on to the next participant.
Okay, next is Fias Rahman and Dharnidharan. Fias and Dharnidharan on friction stir welding. Okay, I will be presenting the screen. Yes. Speak something.
Happy morning, every one of you.
Okay.
My partner is, I am Fayaz Rahman. My partner is Dharnidharan.
Wait. Who's studying now? Fias and Dharnidharan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. Just put it down. Fias, Dharnidharan. Friction stir welding, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can continue.
Happy morning, every one of you. Today, my name is Fayaz Rahman. My partner is V. Dharnidharan. Today we can discuss about the friction stir welding. The friction stir welding is a welding process. It cannot be obtained. Main advantage is cannot be obtained the gas or any fluids in the welding process. The introduction. The fusion welding is invented by Van Thomas at Welding Institution of Limitation in 1991. It overcome by many problems associated with the conversion of joining techniques. The fusion is lower energy input. The cable process very high strength welding and ranges in material and lower costs. The joining the two metal parts in by a heat friction stir they require the heat the point rotating in the friction stir welding. Next slide.
Welding is a joining process. Application of heat without application of pressure electrode. This welding is make a permanent joint. Go to next slide. Yes.
Classification of welding. The main two classification of fusion welding and plastic welding. The fusion welding is heat to mold the state and no pressure to required. The plastic welding, the heat to plastic state and pressing pressure is required. The example of friction welding and forging welding. The working principle of fusion welding. The fusion welding is the shoulder tool with profile of probe and rotating slower plug into the joining the line between two pieces of together. The pin will be rotating to the friction to create the friction to two metal parts to joining the two metal parts. The friction heat generated between the two varying resistance to the material to workpiece to joining the pin to rotate the clockwise direction to create the friction to the two metal parts and joining the together. Cannot apply any gases and fluids in the process. Next slide.
Working principle of friction stir welding. The heat is without reaching the melting point and alloy transversing of tool along the weld line. The plasticized material is transferred the front edge of the tool to back edge of the tool. Break and it forget by the intimate contact of tool solder and pin profiles. Next slide. Yes.
Important welding zone. The friction stir welding is a cross section of consisting of three main zones: nut stir zone, mechanically affecting zone, and heat affecting zone. The three zones are describe the mechanical properties and NUC and TMAZ being the weakest part of the joints.
Joint geometries. It can be used in all positions: horizontal, vertical, overhead, or orbital. Next slide. Material suitability. Copper and its alloy, lead, titanium and its alloy, magnesium alloy, zinc, plastic, mild steel, stainless steel, nickel alloy. Next is, yeah.
The comparison with another joint process and fusion welding and fusion stir welding and fusion welding. The good mechanical property by the welding at below material piece of the workpiece, reduce the disconnecting, reduce the defect rate. The parent metal is chemistry, the simpler dissimilar alloy welding, and illusion of constructability, reduce the heat hazard and no welding pool.
Advantages: good mechanical properties as in welding condition, improve safety due to absence of toxic forms, no consumables, easily automated and simple milling machine, can operate on all positions, low environment effort, is super weld strength. Next slide. Disadvantages: workpiece must be rigid clamped, slower transfer rate than fusion welding. Next slide.
Application aerospace and shipbuilding on offshores and automation and fabrication and railways. Next slide. The future development of laser assisted and friction stir welding are possible to use the induction of coil and another mechanisms. Next. Thank you to every one of you.
Okay, Parthiba and Piaz, what was good. I just have one question. Hello, are you audible?
Yes, sir. It can be audible.
Okay, then what materials can be welded using friction stir welding? And what's the difference between other welding and friction welding in cost difference?
The friction stir welding cannot be used fluid and gases, sir. It can be welding joints or butt joint, lap joints. It can be easy.
I mean, I'm not clear. Can you be more specific?
Sir, copper and alloy use பண்ணலாம் sir, lead use பண்ணலாம் sir, zinc or plastic or stainless steel and
no. Talk in English. No Tamil.
Sir, material can be used copper or plastic, zinc, magnesium, titanium and its alloy, and the stainless steel. It can be welded, sir. But
did you say plastic?
Plastic means plastic welding, sir. Sorry, sir.
How can plastic be welded? It will just melt, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why did you say plastic, man? Yeah, I mean copper, titanium, that and all was right. Why are you telling the plastic? Don't be nervous, okay? If you don't know the answer, means just talk related to that answer.
Sir, next the fusion stir welding and another welding. Fusion stir welding only users of cannot use main advantages, sir, and the gas cannot use, sir, and the fluids cannot use in the fusion stir welding, sir.
Okay, that's
main
good.
advantages.
See, when you are not comfortable with the question or when you don't know the answer, don't talk in Tamil. Like, sir, அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி சார் அந்த இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Don't use those kind of words.
Okay, sir.
Even when you're making mistake, it doesn't bother the people. When you talk in Tamil, they'll just get annoyed. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will change this, sir.
Okay, first answer the mistake. Then we can carry on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well,
thank you.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Okay, Fias.
Yes.
This friction stir welding. Arvind, yeah.
Okay, you can carry.
Yeah, Fias, this friction stir welding, is it used as automated one? The process is whether it is automated or it's used only as a manual work.
Sir, it is come as a automatic sir, but nowadays.
Okay.
Sir, older version only in manual sir. It comes as automatic sir. Today generations for the industry 4.0 generation, it comes as automatic sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, it was good. Your presentation was good.
Thank you, sir.
Paul, we can move on to next participant.
Okay. The next team will be Gokul K and Deepan Kumar S on artificial intelligence.
Another artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
What's the name? Can you come again?
Gokul K and Deepan Kumar S.
Deepan Kumar.
Bro, கேக்குதா?
Yeah, dude.
தமிழ்ல
Am I audible?
Yeah, bro.
தமிழ்ல பேசாதீங்கடா.
Can I continue, bro?
Please continue.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I'm presenting. Bro, it's visible?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is visible, but you are not audible.
Good morning to one and all present here. I'm going to take artificial intelligence. Main content is definition of artificial intelligence, examples, histories, current status, features, and advantages, disadvantages. What is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to create human intelligence machine. They programmed to think like a human behavior. Next example of AI, Google Assistant and Siri are the examples. They are digital personal assistants is a software-based service. Google Assistants and Siri are the intelligence in various platforms in iOS and Android Windows. These features are used to done many tasks like make call, send message, reminder, finding answers, questioning, and etc. Earlier history. In 1950, English mathematician Alan Turing wrote landmark titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence that ask a question and machine thinking. Further work come out on 1956 workshop at Dartmouth sponsored by John Markey. In the personals for the workshop, he coined the phrase study of artificial intelligence. Current status of AI. AI takes many tasks in recent years. AI is used for making customer support and assistance to help better experience for users. They are used for data sharing and accessing, enhance customize of our day-to-day works in a day. Google has a play major role in artificial intelligence. Features of AI. Artificial intelligence is the features in every industries and every human for completing day-to-day tasks. AI act as main part in emerging technologies like IoT, deep learning, and many. AI are in used in a self-driving car, improve medical support and etc. Improve medical support, open and closing of door and etc. Google, it's your turn.
Gokul?
Audible?
It's your turn.
Audible. Okay. Bro, audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, audible.
Okay. Advantage: high precision and accuracy, space exploration. Use of offer mining process, can do laboratory tasks, can do respective under time consuming tasks, function without stop, risk reducing, diagnosis and treatment. Next. Disadvantage: cost is included in the maintenance and repair, lack the human touch, lack creative mind, and lack common sense, unemployment, ability of human may dismiss, wrong hands cause distraction. Next. AI is the center of new enterprise to build computation model of intelligence. The main assumption is that intelligence, human or otherwise, can be represented in the terms of simple structure and simple symbolic operations which can be programmed in digital computers. Thank you. Thank you.
Gokul,
Sir, bro, சொல்லுங்க bro.
You are presenting a paper. You are not actually reading them. Right? You are just reading what's in the screen. What are your own thoughts? Put some own thoughts on the topic, sir. When you took it, you are the one who chose the artificial intelligence. That you must have something to contribute, right? Your own ideology of thought, your own way of speaking. Why are you just reading the content that's in the paper? Sorry. Just try to improve that, okay? Instead of just by heart reading completely what's on the screen, just put some of your own words and make some sentence, put your own thought.
Okay.
And Deepan Kumar.
Yeah, bro.
When you said the advantages of, applications of AI, you particularly mentioned that opening and closing of doors. Is it AI,
yeah, bro,
or sensor?
So as a sensor based.
Then why did you say
when we reach door automatically open?
That's not artificial intelligence, right? That's actually a sensor.
It's a sensor based, but it is also like artificial intelligence.
Can you explain them? What's the difference between sensor and artificial intelligence?
So both are similar, but they have difference. Sensor
In what way they are similar?
Any physical sensor is here. Any physical movements on applied it will done some tasks. Artificial intelligence is here software based thinkings.
Yeah, artificial intelligence is software based.
Yes.
Okay, just learn the difference between them. Okay.
Okay, bro.
You done well. Chetan, do you have any questions to them?
Yeah, Deepan, you did well, but Gokul, you have to improve. And my question is how Internet of Things and artificial intelligence are related to each other?
Sir, Internet of Things is artificial intelligence. We can ask some question. It will take some details from IoTs.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Nauruma. Okay, both did well. Paul, who's on next?
Next team will be Kavin Kumar P and Manish CK on cyber security.
Cyber security. Wow.
Okay.
Should I enter the mocks of Gokul and Deepan?
Are me visible?
Yeah, proceed. Your
Karan Kumar,
Yeah,
who's your partner? Karan Kumar and
Manish.
Manish. Okay. Is
Hi,
Manish there?
everyone. The topic is cybersecurity. The term cybersecurity is used to refer the security offered through online service to protect your online information. Cybersecurity is only used to protect your online information. Cybersecurity and information security differs only in its response and reduction prevention. Nowadays, we are more connected to internet, so the security threats causing massive harm. Why cybersecurity is important? Our world is ruled by only technology and we can't survive it. Yes, the technology is the only thing that is ruling the world. If any anonymous person trying to break your computer, the cybersecurity helps to restrict it, and it will protect the system from known and unknown viruses. Cyber attack. Cyber attack means using malicious application trying to attack the system. Major security problems: virus, hackers, malware, Trojan horses, password cracking. Solution for it: installing a strong antivirus to protect it. Hackers. In common, a hacker is a person who breaks the data without information in your computer, usually by gaining access to administrative controls. If any doubt, you can ask me up to this topic. Next, Manish will continue the another topic.
Types of hackers.
Manish and the. Okay, come.
Types of hackers. White hat hackers, hard hat hackers, black hat hackers. Three types of hackers having. Sir. How to prevent hacking? It may be impossible to prevent computer hacking. However, effective security control, including storage, password, and the use of firewalls, can help to prevent hacking. Malware hacking. The word malware comes from the term malicious software. Software that has some malicious internet and which is installed on the user computer without the user consent. Keyloggers, software installed on the computer that captures key strokes and sends this to remote system used to try and get personal information to gain access to sites such as banks. To stop rumors, on program prevent infection not from known sources. Network protection or access or email virus that they can duplicate the information and harm the computer interface. These viruses are the most serious threats to computers. How to avoid Trojan viruses? Security threats such as ours Intra security will prevent you from downloading Trojan viruses. Do not click unknown links. Password crack. Password cracks are attacked by the hackers that are able to determine password and find password to different protected electronics areas and social network sites. Security passwords. Use always strong password and also never use same password for two different sites. If you Thank you, sir. Sir, can you hear my voice?
Yeah,
No,
Manish.
bro, you are not. You didn't. I mean, I didn't hear the off of what you are telling. Can you check it? Okay, Chetan, do you have questions for them?
Uh, Manish, who is your other partner? What's his name?
Arun Kumar.
Sir, Kavin Kumar.
Kavin. How can you say that till up to this topic we can ask you question? When you are making this whole presentation, you have to know the whole topic, right?
Sorry for the inconvenient, brother. Sorry for that.
Okay, next, it's not the, don't take it wrong, but next time at least when you're making a presentation, make at least to that presentation, you have to know everything.
Okay, brother.
Hmm.
Okay. Otherwise,
Actually, I
both of
thought
you
of
did
telling
well.
you when you said na up to this you can ask any question. Then how do you actually believe that half of the presentation we can ask questions to you?
Yeah,
Just
it might be.
it's a silly mistake that we make. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
you don't have to think that okay I made a mistake. It's a mistake that gives a big lesson. Okay.
Okay, brother.
Okay, you did well. Chetan, do you have any questions on cyber security?
Okay, what is ethical hacking?
Hey, Kanna, it's basic the ethical hacking. You didn't ask, do you know how to do ethical hacking? Just what is ethical hacking? Manish, Kavin, do you know?
Okay, just make it simple. Is ethical hacking legal or illegal?
Ethical hacking is illegal, army right?
No, it's
Hey,
a legal one. It's
you
like
shouldn't
ethical
answer
hacker is
right.
like a doctor to that hacker.
I
Am I
can.
right? No, you shouldn't ask the.
Can you?
You should trust your answers. Okay, don't ask that. Don't answer with the word. Am I right? You just be bold with your answers, whether it's wrong or right. Don't have a doubt what you are saying. Okay, ethical hacking is legal. It's legally done by a government. You said no to protect our biodata. It's
Yeah.
like it's like killing a virus by virus. That's a proverb in Tamil, right? Mulla mulla edukano.
Okay, brother.
Simple. Okay, see if you're taking this kind of topic now, just go with a basic one.
Okay, brother.
No one will ask you what is cyber security, what are the details that and this and that. No one will ask. No one actually bothers to ask you that. Just simple one, basic. Okay, you did well. You did well. Next one.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, can we move to the next team? Hello.
Paul, we can move Paul.
Okay, bro. Next will be Dinesh Kumar A and Parthiban M on robotics.
Already Parthiban did right.
No, there are two
Biometric
Parthibans.
card.
Yes,
Okay,
Parthiban.
okay.
Same Parthiban.
Screen is visible.
Ah.
Dinesh visible.
Yes, it is
Visible.
visible Parthiban.
Dinesh code.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I am Dinesh Kumar. I Department of Third Year Mechanical A section. My partner is M. Parthiban. Our topic is robotics. Now see the introduction and below.
Our introduction is what is robotics, robotic history, Loss of robotics technology, parts of robot, types of robot, and advantage and disadvantages in conclusion.
Now see what is robotics. Robotics is a science which build an application for a robot, or simply it called it set a study of a robots. To aim of a robotics is to design an efficient robot. And then why we need a robotics? We need to do work speedily, and it can work in hazard places like inside earth. That then it can do repetitive tasks. Next, first we use the word robotics. The word robotics can introduced by an public by this writer Carol Cap in 1892 1938 in his place Rose's Universal Robots published in 1920s. The play beings in the factor that makes artificially people called as a robots. The word robotics used to describe a field of study was kind as many people to do many country of people like Russian born American scientists and science fiction writers in 1920 to 1932. Next, we robotics have three laws. The first law, the robots may not injure to the humans. Then the second law, to obey the human orders. And third law, the robots can act as a own without need of a human. Next, what
Here we
empathy.
see the Here we see the technologies used in robots. The technology is sensors, uh, there's vesicular sensor for photo eyes, proximity switches, and the materials are aluminum, copper fiber, and the hydraulics and pneumatics air, and driven trains, servo motors, gears, and reducers. The parts of the robots are sensor, actuators, control unit, and power supply in effects. The sensor is device that measure the physical quantity and convert to signal, which can be read by observer. Controller unit is a main part of the brain. It is also called a brain of the robot. It is used to receive the signals from sensor and drives the actuators. Next, the actuators. Actuators is a important component of robot that is used for drive the mechanism of unit of the robot. It can be used commonly as DC generate motors and also used as actuators. And then the power supply. Power supply is used to perform energy to drive the controllers and actuators. And the power supply may be converted AC voltage to DC voltage. And the end effects. The end effect is a peripheral device that's attached to the robot wrist, allows the robot to interact to it can be do the specific task. Next, the types of robots. And there are educational robots. Educational robots are used for the Robo Lab, Lego, and RoboCube, and soccer, etc. And domestic robots are the two types. They are designed for perform household tasks and modern toys, which are programmed. Um, they do the thing, walk and dance. Military or government robots. Airbot, packbot are used. It is used primarily designed for military and purpose. And a RoboCube is used for perform the number of tasks. Advantages. The main advantages for robots are it gives information that the human cannot give. It is used for go away from the planet. It can work into 24 into 7 without any salary or food. There's some disadvantage in the robots or it need more supply of power. It has high cost. People can lose their jobs in factories. Applications or it can be used in many companies and industries. Conclusion: in the future, robot will make possible of people to live lesser instead of preoccupation with materials. And the robots are used advanced concept in control to connect sensors and with actuators. Thank you for giving the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, Dinesh Kumar, the presentation was nice, and your other partner Parthiban, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you did well, and my question is, can you name any robot manufacturer?
Sir, you mean companies are used?
No, the company, not the company is using it. The company that makes this robotics things.
Sir, I did not know specifically.
Hey, there are so many companies specific the
Sir, military robots and same audible.
yes, you're audible.
Okay, it's fine. Learn about it and somewhat in depth. You have to learn, right?
Okay, sir.
Actually, this question is not a depth question. It's a basic type.
Oh, bhai. See, Dinesh, that's
Yes,
Dinesh.
bro.
You are the one who started with first, right?
Bro.
Why were you so slow? Like you are reading something like a lazy person. You have to be like quick, you know. You shouldn't be lazy while talking.
Okay.
Okay. Mm. Okay. Uh, Alan, who's on the next?
Next, it's my team, myself, me and my friend Karthik. Alan
Paul.
Paul and Karthik on CVT. Just a minute.
Yeah, carry on, Paul.
Okay.
Karthik initial?
Yes, Karthik.
Okay, what's the topic?
CVT. Constant
CVT.
continuously variable transmission.
That's the unusual topic. Continuously variable transmission.
Okay, can we start now? Ready, right?
Oh, I can start. You can start.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Alan Paul, and my friend C.S. Karthik. We are gonna explain something about constantly or continuously variable transmission. The preview of this will be the origins and the Reeves Octo company which initially made it, and the workings, and the pros and cons, and the modern day CVTs. The person here is Milton Reeves. He is the one who first made CVT. He used to be a car mechanic, and he made the CVT gearbox in his garage and fixed it in his car for the first time just to try out, and eventually it became successful, and he made this Reeves Octo cars. He usually stick to wheels which are more reliable, so he used to add more number of wheels to his cars. It's the first CVT transmission cars which is used in the early 30s. Karthik. Karthik.
Yeah.
Explain this.
Hello. Pulley-based CVT. The most common type of CVT uses a V-belt which runs between two variable diameter pulleys. These pulleys-based CVTs are used in present-day scooters and mopeds.
Okay.
Then it's working. They work on the concept of centrifugal force. The pulley is of two conical sections in which one part is fixed and another part moved by centrifugal force.
Okay, the next working, the GIF picture which shows you the exact thing about the working. There are two drums which is situated next to it, and the drums include some ceramic beads inside them, which is driven in and outwards with the help of the centrifugal force developed when it is rotating. When the drive shaft rotates at a higher speed, the beads move away from the center point, making them the diameter of the pulley to be smaller or bigger eventually due to the speed of the rotor, which converts the speed of the wheel to a maximum extent and minimum extent based on the speed of the motor. Karthik.
Then it's pros and cons. The efficiency of power conversion from the motor to wheel is about 88%. Continuously varying transmission or always adjusting, so they keep engine RPM slow and consistent, avoiding the high engine speeds. Continuously varying transmissions also have low production cost because they have fewer moving parts than traditional automatics.
Modern day CVT transmission is widely used, and the pulley based CVT is most oftenly seen in local roads in our country itself. Every mopeds and scooters we see in our market are using CVT transmission because it's more easy and more efficient than any gear system in the market present. Hope this PPT have given you some clear view about the constantly varying transmission. If you have any doubts or queries, you may ask us regarding this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Uh, okay, Paul, you explained it well, but Karthik, you just read the what PPT. You have to improve, Karthik.
Yeah,
Okay.
Alan Paul, you did good, but just don't, Karthi, don't read the PPT. That's what I'm telling.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I have a question. Which pulley in CVT transfers energy? Drive shaft.
Pardon, please. Hello.
Arsi, once more your question.
Well, which pulley transfers energy to the drive shaft? CVT transfers energy to the drive shaft. Which pulley?
There are two pulleys. One is connected with the wheel, another one with the direct motor. The motor's thing is both have the same bead system. The thing is they move in the opposite direction just to make sure the one pulley is smaller and another one is bigger. Generally, the drive shaft connected pulley will be bigger than the wheel connected pulley, just to make sure the power is delivered in a higher ratio.
Can the belt be changed with the pulley's belt?
Length, you're asking about length, right?
No. Can that be changed, replaced?
Yeah, it could be replaced. Usually they don't more often wear out. They give a longer lifetime. Even though it may be cut or damaged, it may easily replaced. It has very less moving parts and very less components inside this. So it's more easy to operate that.
Okay, thank you. You answered well. Okay, Alan Paul, who's next?
Okay, yeah, we can move on.
Okay, next will be Dharun Prasath D and Enivayan A. on
Wait.
engineering or mankind? Like a difficult
What,
question.
Prasad? Dharun
Dharun
Prasad.
Prasath D and Enivayan A. Engineering for mankind.
I'm audible.
Yeah, dude. Can-
Anyone share the screen?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Dharun Prasad, on what
Yeah,
topic
bro.
you are taking? PPT?
Engineering for mankind.
Engineering for mankind.
Mankind.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mankind. Yeah.
Okay. That's a good topic.
Is it visible?
Yeah. Anyone visible? Please turn the screen like landscape.
Hmm.
Anyone turn the screen?
Okay.
Yeah. Loading. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yes, I have turned. It's okay.
Oh, okay. It's okay. I'm start now. Okay. Welcome to everyone. I am Dharun Prasath and my partner Enivayan from third year mechanical AS section. Today's topic is engineering for mankind. It means engineering which helps people to live their life easier. First, diamond battery. A California. Next. Anyone change the slide? Okay. Yeah. Previous slide. Yeah. It's a California-based company. NDB has made itself charging battery by trapping carbon-14 nuclear waste in artificial diamond in case. Once we charge the battery, it can run 28,000 a year. From in battery, we can made from radioactive material. Next. First, we see working of normal battery. In normal battery, consists of cathode, electrolyte, anode. Cathode consists of positive ions and anode consists of electric ion. When we connect a electronic device like example bulb, in this device, all electrons are converted to photons by attracting with the help of cathode. After some time of usage, all electrons are converted to photon. After this. After all electrons are converted to photon, the battery is set. After we put charge, that photon are converted into electron. This is recycled when we charging and discharging. In this slide, we understand electron is important for electricity. Next. In this slide, we see about working of diamond batteries. Before slide, we will see about electron is used for important for electricity. In nuclear waste, it contains a high amount of electrons. When we mixing carbon graphite and carbon diamond, we have a diamond battery. Why because used carbon diamond, it seals the battery with tightly without any emission, without any radiation emission. Next, we use silicon wafer and generates electric current. Next. Merits, it is very clean and safe. It reduces greenhouse effect and it reduce less waste generation. It gives reliable electricity. Demerits. Initially, it requires a high cost and public do not accept it is easily. It is very difficult. It have some time to accept that technology. Next. Application, we can use this technology in space application, electric application, automobile application, and we can also use in mobiles, watches, drones. Why? Because that battery is very low in size. That the most important application is medical application. When we use normal battery in pacemaker, and the lifetime of normal battery is 6 to 8 years. After that lifespan, we need to change the old battery to new battery that needs surgery. That time we use this diamond battery It do not need any surgery or any replacement. Next is self-healing concrete. Self-healing concrete is a concrete. It heals the crack selfly with the help of mixing of some bacteria like genus Bacillus plus calcium carbonate. The self-healing concrete is can be work up to 200 years. Next. In this slide, we can see before and after image of self-healing concrete. It takes 28 days to heal itself. We mix 8 liter per meter cube of Bacillus bacteria and 20 kg per meter cube of calcium carbonate into a normal concrete. We have get self-healing concrete. Next, merits. It increase compression and durable strength of concrete, and it also reduce the maintenance cost and repair. Demerits, initially it requires a high amount, and it also requires skilled laborers, that it is not safe to grow a bacteria in any atmosphere medium. Next. Application. It is also provide waste to durable roads, river banks, and high-rise building, and floors, tunnel lining, and basement wall. And also we can constructing underground retainer for hazardous waste. In the army, they dump their waste into underground with the help of normal concrete. That time normal concrete have healed. The waste are leaked into the ground and it pollute the soil solution. That time we can use this self-healing concrete. We prevent that soil pollution. Next, Bandicoot manhole cleaning machine. Bandicoot is a spider-shaped robot that cleans manholes and sewage with precision. It has won gold awards by the Infosys Foundation. It also won cash prize for 20 lakhs. It was designed by 9 engineers from Kerala. It was launched in February 2019 and successfully completed its trial in Thiruvananthapuram. Next, we think about why we need this kind of robot. First, all over India, Tamil Nadu is the highest death rate in manhole cleaners. Our government concentrate launch a satellite to Mars and the Moon, but our government do not concentrate about this kind of workers. Next, why should other man cleans our waste? It is very terrible situation for their life. Next, working the 80 kg robot lift the air whole body, and the arm moves downward to the manhole and remove all their solid waste and liquid waste and dump in a bucket. This operation needs only one member, and they can also operated in a safe distance. We can view all the operation in a monitor itself. Next key features. This machine have gas sensing sensor, water resistance sensor, and government order. Next, this machine can be used in all standard hole. It can also remove hard rocks, sand, slits, sludge, and non-biodegradable waste. The driving capacity is 10 meter. In per cycle, it can lift to 120 kg. It is operated in electric AC current. Next. This machine not helps their life, it saves their life. Next, before going to the technology, we think about fact about today. We cut trees for many purposes that leads to deforestation. Deforestation leads to air pollution, drought, changing rainfall pattern, increased flooding. For this problem, we have one solution. The solution is planting more trees in one area. The next technology is reliable to that. Next. Planting trees with drones. This technology is developed by Biocarbon Engineering Company by NASA engineer. These drones are very helpful in planting trees in large areas. The drones contain all information about their land, like weather, climate, and land dimension. It also contain seed bullets and sensor. Next we see about the working of this technology. That time we give an input like the dimension of the planting area. We giving input to the drone. The drone shot a container. The container contains seed, nutrition, and soil. It shot into the soil. After some days, the container is made up of biodegradable container. After some days, it degradable into the land. After some years, the seeds are grow successfully. Now we can see advantage. It requires only 2 operator. It can plant 4 lakhs per day, and the time consumption is very low. Next. Disadvantages. Sometimes birds are affected by drones, or sometimes drones may be damaged by any obstacles like electric line, towers, and tall trees. Sometimes, if any climatic change suddenly occurs, it may damage the drones. Next. Application in Myanmar, they plan to plant 1 billion trees in year in 2020. Next, it is very useful to plant unusual place like Amazon, like under dense forest. It's also useful for agriculture process for spraying insecticides and pesticides. Next, over to Enivayan.
I am Enivayan and I will continue from energy engineering. Energy engineering is not only the study of producing energy, but also for reducing the energy usage and use it for the further usage efficiently. For example, it is the latest invention of the energy engineering in the vehicle tires. It is the product of MRF. In this type, it saves the energy of the engine by reducing the weight and helps to increase the torque and speed. Evenly, the pickup level also increased. Its merits and demerits. The merits of these types of inventions are it is weightless, tubeless, and airless, so that the weight of the total body is slightly decreased. It will increase the pickup of the engine. It does not punctured by any harmful materials under the tires. Even it is released by our own hand, not with the help of any technical issues. Torque and power increases. Demerits of these inventions. Regular maintenance is mandatory because if it is affected by the dust and other harmful chemicals, it can go easily inside of the tire and it can affect the efficiency of the tires. The next one is organ engineering. It is the mixture of study of engineering and medical science partially. It is
okay. Anyone? Yeah, time is up. It's so okay. Enough of your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Anyone?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have done well. Next time,
both of you did well.
Your content was good. Okay, your content was
Thank
good.
You, sir.
Next time, try to make less content and more less slides and more content. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, can Chetan, do you have any questions?
Airless tire, is it commercialized or still in development?
Sir, it is still in development and it is under process, sir, by MRF tires.
Okay. You spoke about manual, right?
Yeah, bro.
Why is it still implemented? Even now we are having this news of people dying in the manual.
Sir, in organ engineering, you are asking, sir?
Sorry, can you say again?
Sir, in which topic you are asking this doubt, sir?
You spoke about some manual, right? Some development in the manual.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, in that
Dharun, it's up
why
to
is
you.
it still implemented?
Yeah, I will tell. Bro, please ask on time.
Hmm?
Please ask once again.
The manual, the some advancement in manual they have made, right?
Yeah, in Kerala, they made
Uh,
advanced technology to clean manhole.
okay, why isn't still implemented?
Because the government did not do in Kerala government that gives order to their area. In Tamil Nadu government did not give order that type of technology. That is a government side.
Okay.
It needs to
Isn't
come.
that equipment costly or
Yeah,
is
it's
it?
it is costly, but our government it is allowable by government. We do not do by our own. It is first permission do by government.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
You did well with your presentation, but you have to improve your communication skill.
Okay, bro.
Okay, who's the next one? Alan, still how many people are yet to present?
Still, there is about 7 to 8 teams.
Okay.
About 6 teams.
Are they there or they are not here?
I guess about 3 teams will be here. Let me call the next time. Nelson, Francis, and Poovarasan. They are here, I guess. Yes.
Okay, if they are there, they can present, or else
Okay.
let's
Ultrasonic
leave it
welding. Yeah, they are here.
I'm audible.
Francis and Dharun.
Yeah, you're audible. Please carry on.
Poovarasan present the screen.
Poovarasan and who?
Nelson
Ultrasonic
Francis.
Welding.
It's
Hey,
visible.
hold on, Nelson.
Shall we start?
Nelson Francis,
Yeah, yes.
Hey, Nelson, hey, இருக்கியாடா? Nelson Francis.
Okay, shall we start?
Poovarasan.
Yeah, start.
Yeah, good afternoon to all of you, honorable teachers and my dear seniors and my classmates. A very warm welcome to all for Mech Talk. Myself, Nelson Francis, and my friend Poovarasan. So today we discuss about ultrasonic welding. So first we see what is ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic welding is a solid state welding process that produce a weld by local application of high frequency vibratory energy while the work pieces are held together under pressure. A sound metrologically born it produced without melting the base material. Like in this ultrasonic welding, the commonly used materials like uh, it's made up of lead zinc titrate and barium titrate. Next slide. So in equipments of ultrasonic welding, there are three fundamentals. So first, the electrical part, and second, the electrochemical transducer, the mechanical parts. In the principles of working, the ultrasonic vibration is used to do two plastics together. The high frequency of generating by heat energy. The method of materials fused on each other to form weld on two strong welds on cooling and solidification. The typical frequency is 40 Hz. It's used in computers and electrical industries and aerospace, automotive and medical industries, etc. Next slide. In the computer and the electrical industries, is used to do join wide connections and to create connection in small uh, delicate circuits. In aerospace and automotive industries is used to assemble large plastics and electrical components such as doors panel, the instrument panels, air ducts, lamps, steering wheels, etc. It is used to join sheet gauge and lightweight materials like aluminum. In medical industries, it does use to introduce a declaration into the field that why it is used in medical industries. Next slide. In the mechanical parts, the in the automotive industries is to large and electrical components such as doors and wide connection and create a connection in delicate circuits in mechanical parts. Next slide. The arrangements of ultrasonic welding. The converters the electrical signals into high frequency mechanical vibration, and it does so through the photo electrical effects. The horn is vibrated electrically at a high frequency energy into the two pieces that generate heat energy at the concrete tips. Next slide. Over to Poovarasan.
Important parameters of ultrasonic welding process. In the welding process, the vibrational frequency ranging between 10 kilohertz and 150 kilohertz. The vibrational amplitude of welding tip, the quantity ranges through between 0.5 micrometers and 30 micrometers. The welding time during the welding operation ranges from 10 meters second up to several seconds. The pressure, jamming pressure in the weld area, approximately 0.1 to 0.3 times hardness of the material to be welded. Special characteristics of ultrasonic metal welding. Metals and welding, different melting points can be welded. Examples, aluminum to copper. Thin fossils or wires can be welded to much thicker parts. When the welded material, welding area below the temperature with the melting point, there is no need any protective glasses, no fluxes. Here we can see advantage of ultrasonic welding. It is a fastest welding process. It can be easily automated. It produces a clean and percussion joint. It produces a low thermal impact on the material. The applications in microelectrons, wires and ribbons of gold, aluminum and copper with a thickness ranging from 25 picometer to 500 picometer are welded ultrasonics and metallized substance. When the welding of aluminum and copper in various applications, example electrical bleach, closer welds and tubes and cans containing volatile or Thank you for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Hello, sir. Any questions?
Is it ultrasonic machining? Is it still in manual process or it's automated?
Automated.
No, it's an automatic process.
Only automatic, or can be used also as manually.
Manually also, sir. But
Hmm. Okay, fine.
most of the industries uses automatic.
Hmm. Okay. Arvind.
Hello,
Sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Yeah, that was good. Good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
What materials can be welded using ultrasonic? And how precise is the welding, ultrasonic welding? Can anyone say that?
Yeah, it's made up of two combinations of chemical, like lead zinc titrate and barium titrate, bro.
Okay. Good. Okay, the lesson English was good.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. Who's next?
Next team will be Gokulraj RK and Harish P on hybrid vehicles.
Okay, come on.
Gokulraj. He is not available. Harish. No, bro. I guess they left the meeting earlier. Okay. Ishwaramurthy E and Balamurugan G. Ishwar. Ishwaramurthy and Balamurugan G. Okay, good.
Hello.
Okay.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Today I'm going to present. Hello.
Yeah, dude, you're
Today I'm going to present a PPT about air-powered car. G. Balamurugan will be continued from here. Hello.
Balamurugan.
Hello, Balamurugan, are you there? Sir, okay. Introduction. Sir, he is not available, so I start this PPT. Introduction. Our words in facing fuel crisis, air pollution. All kind of the conversion sources of fuel are on verge of extraction. Gasoline is a primary source of fuel. Gasoline is becoming more and more expensive and impractical. Problem of gasoline is it's not a renewable source. It's non-renewable source, and it make pollutions, and its cost also high. Alternative energies. We use three kind of alternative energies: air energy, solar energy, and electrical energy. We use air powered vehicles because air is an renewable energy, so we use it, and it avoid pollution also. From here Balamurugan will present you.
கேட்கறது இல்லையா?
Hello? Any problem? Balamurugan. Chetan, try, bro. Chetan, bro. Hello?
Hey, hello, sorry. Our call came.
Okay,
Call.
okay.
Yeah, asking me to give some name. Yeah. You carry. Ishramurthy Balamurugan. You finished?
Yeah, some network problem, so I guess he can't open the meeting itself, I guess. He's texting me.
Okay, ask him.
Can we move to the next team?
Just wait a minute. Can we? Can we have? Can we take a break?
There are just two more teams. We can finish it overall itself.
Yeah, bro. But Chetan went. Sir is calling me now. I'm actually cutting the service call.
Okay. It became 1 o'clock. Oh shit. Let me see. Bhaskar.
Just give me 15 minutes, okay?
15 minutes of break. Okay. Okay then.
Sir, ask everyone to leave except that those pending
Okay.
students.
Bhaskar, Naganand, Kamlesh, Abhinav. Except you four, everyone else can leave the meeting.
Arvind,
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Chetan, good afternoon.
Sir, sorry, sir. In between, I couldn't join, sir, because I had call from PK, sir.
That's fine, no issues. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Then is it over or still some of the PPT are pending?
Two more teams. Just two more teams.
Sir, Chetan போயிருக்காரு சார் சார் கால் பண்ணாங்க.
No, bro, he's back, I guess.
Alan, what's the status now?
Sir, two more teams. Last two teams.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, Alan, now tell me what's the status? Almost 3 hours. Hello?
Sir, I'm
Dinesh Kumar?
Yes, sir. Two more teams, sir. Just the last two teams.
Last two teams are pending, that's fine. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bhaskar and Naganand, team 1, and Kamalesh and Abhinav.
Are they proceed now?
The juries asked for a break of 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Important call.
No issues, no issues. I thought, okay, nothing was going on. That's why I just got into and I was curious to ask.
Okay. We were having phone calls, so we asked for 15 minutes break.
That's fine. Yeah. You should have understood that earlier and you could have given time for them to go. Since you are telling it is a virtual, everyone can have their own refreshment at whenever they wish. But you think of yourself and juries. You need time, no?
The jury, I asked them, sir. They told we
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
need any.
Yeah, fine. Fine. No problem. So have you informed to the student secretary of association that you are conducting this today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I told him earlier.
Okay. You do one thing after getting this now. I passed you an WhatsApp message, no?
Yes, sir. I'll just
Fill
send
it
him a
everything.
Okay, sir.
You fill it everything and send to Rakul, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. He may do any changes if he wish to do. இந்த இதெல்லாம் போடுவார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரைஸ் இந்த மெடல் மாதிரி சிம்பிள்லாம் போடுவார்ல அட்ராக்டிவா பண்றதுக்காக
ஓகே சார்
இந்த மாதிரிலாம் ஏதாவது பண்ணிட்டு இந்த ஃபார்மேட்ஸ் எதுவும் மாத்தாதீங்க அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம்
எமோஜிஸ்
கலர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க அனுப்புங்க and few photos also needed.
Dinesh is taking the screenshots. Dinesh is taking the screenshots, sir, for each.
Okay. I think afternoon the juries of the today program they may be busy, so you get the time, free time of them, get the details. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How do you feel today that it's happened somehow?
Yes, sir. I guess totally 16 teams completed their presentation, sir. For the past 3 hours.
So totally 22, no?
23, sir, in total.
23 teams registered,
23 teams registered. Out of that, 2 is yet to perform, and 16
21 has finished.
21 has finished. Out of the 21, 16 is done, sir.
16?
Only 16 have performed, sir, out of the 21.
Why so? What about the rest of them?
Some didn't join, and later they left, and some causes like that.
They don't present or?
Few didn't come, sir. Few came and left later, sir.
என்னப்பா இதெல்லாம் நீங்க எனக்கு இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலாம்ல பை மெசேஜ் அல்ல ஃப்ரீக்வெண்ட் இன்டர்வல்ல தே மஸ்ட் டூ பை டுடே தேர் இஸ் நோ சான்ஸ் ஆஃப் எஸ்கேப்பிங்.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Including Ishwaramuthi, it's 17, sir, totally. Out of the 21, it's 17. Ishwaramuthi and Balamurugan. They had some network problem.
No, they must join and do. இதுல எந்த இதுவும் கிடையாது. அதர்வைஸ் இவங்க ரெண்டு பேத்துல மதியானம் யாரு ஃப்ரீயா இருக்காங்களோ அவங்கள வச்சு நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
கேளுங்க நீங்க ஓகேங்களா? ஐம் நாட் வெரி ஷூர் வெதர் போத் ஆர் ஃப்ரீ ஆர் they have workload, but anyhow you ask them and do it. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ் லீடர்ஸ் வழியா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்தாலும் சரி இல்ல நீங்களே கொடுத்தாலும் சரி அந்த டீம்ல இருக்கிற யாரோ ஒருத்தர் கூப்பிட்டு இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க லஞ்ச் டைம்ல.
Okay, sir.
இன்னைக்கு 4 o'clock வந்து மெசேஜ் நம்ம போடும் பொழுது நம்பர் ஆஃப் டீம்ஸ் வந்து 23 ரெஜிஸ்டர்ட் 23 பார்ட்டிசிபேட்டர் தான் வரணும். இதுல எந்த இஷ்யூ இதுல எந்த இதுவும் எஸ்கேப்ஸுமே கிடையாதுங்க. இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு நேம்ஸ் அனுப்புங்க, நான் அவங்க பேரண்ட்டை கூப்பிட்டு பேசுறேன்.
Okay, sir.
ஓகேங்க. அலன்
சார்
அந்த இது நீங்க போடுங்க. நீங்க இன்னைக்கு காலையில யூடிஸ்ல வந்துட்டு அந்த பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸோட லிஸ்ட் போட்டிருக்கீங்கல்ல?
ஆமா சார்.
அதுதான் ஃபைனலுங்களா?
ஆமா சார், அதான் சார் ஃபைனல்.
23 அந்த 23 வந்து ஹைலைட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுலயே உங்களுக்கு டீம் நம்பர் போட்டிருக்கீங்கல்ல, சீரியல் நம்பர் மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா?
ஆமா சார்.
அதுல வந்து சீரியல் நம்பர் இது 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 இதெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு ஆஸ் ஆஃப் நவ், இது இதெல்லாம் வெயிட்டிங் கெட் ரெடினே போட்டுருங்க.
ஓகே சார், ஷூர்.
We'll do it after lunch ன்னு கூட போடுங்க. டைம் will be informed but within today it must be finished அப்படின்னு சொல்லி போட்டுருங்க. ஒரு மெசேஜ் போட்டுருங்க.
சார் இப்போ இந்த லாஸ்ட் 2 டீம்ஸ் அதுவும் அப்புறம் மதியானம் வச்சுக்கலாம்.
இவங்கள சேர்த்துட்டே போட்டுருங்க. ஓகே ஓகே
ஓகே சார். அப்போ ஓகே சார்.
ஓகேங்க ஓகே.
டோட்டலி 5 டீம்ஸ் சார். அப்போ டோட்டலி 5 டீம்ஸ் சார். நடத்துனதுல 3 டீம் வரல, இன்னும் 2 டீம் இனிமே பண்ண போறாங்க.
சரிப்பா ஓகே. So let me go for lunch. Okay
sir. Can we wind the meeting?
நீ கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணு.
This one. This meeting can it be in on sir or அப்படியே ஆன்லயே இருக்கு?
What about jury? I think they gone for refresh and came. No, they will come. I think so.
They told me that they have some phone calls. So they have phone calls வருதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க சார் போனாங்க.
Then you can wait. They may join.
Okay.
They may join.
Okay sir.
They may join. You can wait. You complete that too. Who are ready? Okay.
Okay sir.
Then you can leave anyhow.
Okay.
But before leaving, ask them. Okay. After lunch, they may join to complete.
Okay.
Bye. Update.
Okay.
You update me at frequently.
Okay,
Bye.
Sir. Sure.
Paul, Alan, Paul.
ராய்
நான் அரவிந்த் போயிட்டானா? என்னது?
இருக்காரு அவரு. 2 டீம் இருக்கு.
இன்னும் 2 டீம் இருக்கா?
டேய் இப்பதான் வந்து சேத்தன்.
ஓகே வந்துட்டியா? அப்ப கண்டினியூ பண்ணிடலாம்.
நீ அதை கண்டினியூ பண்ணு. நான் வந்து ஒரே விஷயம் அப்படியே நான் கேட்டுட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். நீ கண்டினியூ பண்ணு, நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே பால் 2 டீம் பிரசன்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க.
பண்ண சொல்லு.
நாகானந்த், பாஸ்கர், நாகானந்த். குயிக்கா சீக்கிரம் முடிச்சிட்டு போயிடலாம்.
பாஸ்கர்,
குயிக் சீக்கிரம் முடிச்சிட்டு போயிடலாம்.
Navanan,
yes.
You are screen sharing. Some problems are occurred. You are screen sharing.
Oscar, can you see the presentation?
Yeah, see. Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, A. Bhaskar, my friend S. Naganand. Today I am discuss about autonomous car. Next slide. Vehicular automation. Vehicular automation involves the use of mechatronics, artificial intelligence, multi-agent system to assist a vehicle operators. A vehicle using automation for different tasks, especially navigation, may be referred to semi-automation. Next slide. Next slide. An autonomous car is an autonomous vehicle capable of fulfill of the human transportation capability of a traditional car. As an autonomous vehicle, it is capable of sensing its environment and navigation without human input. In 1980s, introduced laser radar, computer vision, and autonomous robotic control, off-road map, and sensor-based autonomous navigation. And then 1990s introduced extensive system engineering work and research, video camera on board, and use of stereoscopic vision algorithms. In 2000s, real-time control system and RFID tags, and 2010s in artificial intelligence, GPS, LiDAR, 3D mapping, cameras, sensors, etc. are introduced. Next slide. In 2007, The autonomous vehicle was designed by Georgia Institute of Technology in collaboration with SAIC, Science Application International Corporation, for the Defense Advancing Research Project agencies. Next slide. There is a vehicle order source occurs in autonomous car. There are radar, optics, radar, GPS, processor, wheel speed sensors are occurs in autonomous car. Next slide. There is autonomous car is different places. Radar, optics, radar, GPS are located in radar is front of the car located. Optic is located in roof of the car, and lidar is near the optics. GPS is near the lidar, and processor also about the car. Next slide. Radar. Radar. Radar is here. Sensor are used to detect dangerous objects in vehicle paths that are more than 100 meters away. Accident prevention system trigger alerts when they are defect something in a build car in build spots. The radar shapes between 10 and 100 it's over a 5 millisecond period, transmitting the radar signal from a central located antenna cone to receive cones separated by approximately 14 inches. Receive the reflections radar energy. Next slide. Optics. A camera mounted near the radar view mirror build a 3D image of road head, spotting assault like pedestrian and animals. It is also used to identify road marking and traffic signals. Next slide. LiDAR. LiDAR operator for light diffraction and ranging, which is mounted on the roof of the vehicle, is the most important device in the autonomous car. The LiDAR consists of an emitter, a mirror, and receiver. The emitter sends out of a laser beam that bounces off a mirror that is rotating along with a cylindrical housing at 10 revolutions per minute. After bouncing off object, the laser beam returns to the mirror and is bounced back forward towards the receiver, where it can be interpreted into data. The vehicle can generate a map of its surrounding and use the map to avoid the object. Next slide, Nagaland will be continued.
The automobile cars are used in the GPS. The global positioning system keeps the car on its inset routine with an acceleration of 30 centimeters. GPS covering the macro location of car, smaller on deck cameras can recognize small details like red lights, stop signals, constructions, and traffic, etc. Processors in the car. 7 dual-core 2.13 GHz processor and 2 GB RAM of needed to make sense of the car corrected by the car instrument. Some car run as many as 17 processors to dispense the communicating load. The wheel speed sensors measures the wheel speed and direction of the rotation. These sensors provides into a number of different automotive systems, includes the anti-lock braking system and electronic stability control. the working of the autonomous vehicle. The signal from the sensor are used by an electrical control. Decisions making using a software code. Based on the information from the sensors, that electric control unit gives the signal to an actuators, which in the turn control the vehicle. Also, real-time information of the surroundings is output to the user interface located inside the vehicle. The advantages of the potential. Fewer traffic collisions, increases roadway capacity and reduces traffic congestion. Relief of vehicle consumption from driving and navigation course. Higher speed limit for autonomous cars. Removal of construction and occupant state. Eliminate of redundant, reducing a space required for vehicle parking. Reduces of physical road signage, smoother ride. Potential obstacles. Ability for damage, resistance from individuals to private control of their cars, software reliability, cyber security, loss of driving related jobs, loss of privacy, temporary construction zones which are not posted to any maps or database. Determinants of the severity of traffic lane obstacles as in the questions of safety standing, the potence of debris. The Google driverless cars. The Toyota players modify the operating of a Google driverless cars. These are the things used in the car to an autonomous vehicle.
Steve?
Official predictions. By 2014, Intel company Mobile expects to release semi-autonomous cars technology. In 2015, Audi plans to market vehicles that can autonomous steers, accelerator and brakes at lower speeds such as in traffic jams. In 2016, Mobile expects to release fully autonomous cars technology. In 2018, Google expects to release their autonomous car technology. In 2020, Volvo envisages having cars in which passengers would be immune from injuries. Conclusion. Vehicular communication system are an emerging type of network in which vehicles or roadside units are the communication nodes providing each other with information such as safety, warnings, and traffic information. Autonomous cars integrates which vehicular communication system can be more efficient in avoiding crashes and traffic congestions. Thank you. Then
Right. Me,
Okay.
please.
Okay, both of you did well with your presentation. Yeah, I have no question. Arvind?
The next team, they are not
Okay, we
here.
can move to next team.
That's all right. அடுத்த
Thank
team.
you, sir.
Bye, Naganan. Try, we can wind up. Try. Chetan, try. Bro.
பால்
Chetan, try.
அவ்வளவுதானா? வேற யாரும் இல்லல்ல?
வேற யாரும் இல்லை. பட் சார் வந்துட்டு கேட்க சொன்னாரு, நீங்க மத்தியானம் இன்னைக்குள்ளார இந்த ஈவெண்ட் முடிச்சாகணும். ஸோ மத்தியானம்
அதான் எல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்டாங்க தானே? இன்னும் யாரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் தேர்ட்னு மட்டும் தானே சொன்னோம்.
ஆமா, இல்ல வராத டீம் இருக்காங்க. ஒரு 3 பேர் 4 டீம் இருக்கு.
சரி.
கேஸ் அவங்க நடத்துறதுன்னா மத்தியானம் உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருந்தா சொல்றாங்க.
மத்தியானமா?
யா, ஆஃப்டர்நூன். அவர் ஃப்ரீ டைம் 1 hour இந்த 45 minutes போதும்.
ஓகே, அது சார்கிட்ட நாங்க பேசிக்கிறோம். இல்ல சொல்றோம் உங்ககிட்ட என்னன்னா.
ஓகே, சார்கிட்ட பேசிட்டு கூட சொல்லுங்க.
உங்ககிட்ட சொல்றேன்.
இது மட்டும் நீங்க இப்ப போட்ட வரைக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் தேர்ட் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஓகே. நான் அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டுருக்கேன் அந்த மெசேஜ் பார்த்து பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
ஓகே.
ஓகே.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ பால்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.